Are you looking for the best cordless soldering iron? In this video, we will break down the top 6 cordless soldering irons on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dremel 2001. This soldering iron is the safest model to use and boasts impressive aesthetics. The unit gets characterized by a powerful heating system that will help you enhance the efficiency of executing your job applications. The model is fitted with a refillable tank filled with liquid butane lighter fuel. When full, the container can burn for up to 75 minutes, ensuring extended usage. Besides, this tool is easy to use, and its small size will allow you to transport it and cause no strain in your arms when using it. This promotes extended usage. Also, the model comes with a separate battery magazine for convenient and comfortable changing of the batteries. The model boasts high performance with a longer run time. It is available at a reasonable price, and this makes it an impressive tool for use by numerous individuals. Furthermore, the more straightforward operation and extended usage are enhanced by its flame lock-on mechanism that helps keep the torch on a continuous flame. Finally, this unit features an ignition trigger integrated with a safety lock that will provide you with safety, protecting you from burns in the startup process. The ignition trigger ensures an easy and simpler startup as there is no independent ignition tool needed. The safety lock system helps prevent accidental ignition. At number 2. LEXIVON LX770. This is the butane-based soldering iron machine. This multi-purpose device is cordless and comes in a kit format with ample accessories. And, this is self-igniting in nature. There is an electronic trigger by the side of the machine that aids in the self-ignition. The machine also has a flame locking button too, thus satisfying the need to be a multi-purpose nature. When it is not being used as a soldering iron, you can also adjust the flame from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches size as well. In addition, the working temperature of this iron goes up to as high as 2400 degrees Fahrenheit to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, the highest for a normal battery-powered machine. This soldering iron has a full butane tank. Also, the machine can run up to 75 minutes in full and can be refilled in just 10 seconds. This gives you a large runway for work. Moreover, the kit comes with a 13-piece accessory set that ranges from scrub to remove the solder shred to even some pool of solder and also a few tiny wrenches, nut spanners as well. There is a protective cap included in the box as well. There is also a 2-year manufacturer's warranty from the date of purchase. At number 3. TOOLUXE 40,420 liters. This cordless soldering iron with a very high temperature capability and a neat ergonomic design. It is also battery operated. Running on 4 AA batteries, this portable soldering iron can pack a lot of heat, unlike the HAKKO model. In its prime, the tool can give you a maximum of 565 degrees centigrade or 1050 degrees in Fahrenheit in just under 7 seconds of time. Besides, there is a tiny LED bulb under the tip of the soldering iron. This produces an almost focused beam of light that will illuminate your workspace for making better and more conductive joints. Consequently, it's great for small DIY projects. And also the tip of the iron comes with a protective close cap that closes the tip and enables quick cool down as well. At number 4. HAKKO FX901/P. This is the simplest soldering iron to use and to make the fastest change in the composite tip. This unit dissipates soldering heat at a constant temperature of 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and this enhances uniformity and accuracy. Besides, the tool, like with the cordless hot glue guns, is the simplest to use as it features an on/off switch with a protective cover that will help you to conveniently turn the machine off immediately you are done with your work, and this further helps improve safety. One outstanding aspect of this unit is the ability to change and replace the composite tip quickly. The advantage of this practice is that there is no work breakdown to the completion of your project. However, before you replace the tip, You must ensure you effectively clean it with a damp sponge to clean the old solder. In addition, the constant temperature dissipated ensures that the new composite tip will acquire the heat within seconds as it is within the melting point of a soldering iron. You benefit from an extended use with this model due to the long life battery power. On a full charge, you can be sure of getting at least 2 hours of runtime. Finally, it features a separate battery magazine for convenient and easy battery replacement. The unit does not limit you to a particular type of battery. All you need are 4 Ah-sized batteries that can be either alkaline or nickel metal hydride based. Do you have a favorite yet? Well, we have one more coming up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 5. Weller BL60MP. This cordless soldering irons is one of the most popular on the market. It's ultimately one of the light-weighted and simple cordless soldering iron designs. Despite its small and compact size, it can get charged up quickly in 536 degrees in just 35 seconds only and can rise to 950 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes in powerful lithium-ion battery packs and with a durable battery charging station. More than 1,100 joints in a single charge enable users in 45 minutes charges. Finally, the tip of the cordless solder iron workplace LED light illumination provides a unique impression. And it comes 7 years manufacturer's warranty compels an excellent option to purchasing will complete satisfaction. At number 6. M12 REDLINK. This cordless soldering iron boasts ultra-fast heating time and can reach the heating temperature just after 18 seconds. Also, this tool is easy to use as it is equipped with a safe-to-store tip indicator that uses the REDLINK intelligence technology to help you determine when it is ready for use and when it is due for storage. The unit features a 3-level pivoting head at the tip of the soldering gun that improves its ease and convenience of use. Also, you are sure to get an unmatched soldering experience. Besides, it is tool-free changeable. And you can effectively change between chisel and pointed tips with significant convenience. Moreover, at full charge, the model has a long run time of 40 minutes, which is standard for the soldering gun.